In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off developer options on your Android phone. So if you have turned on developer options for whatever reason and you are now wanting to disable this, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. Once you click on settings, you will need to scroll down to the bottom of all these settings here till you find developer options. So as you can see, developer options is right there. If you click on that, what you'll get is you'll get this option here. So as you can see at the top, developer options at the moment is enabled on my phone. And if I want to turn this off, all I simply need to do is toggle this option off here, and then that will go ahead and turn it off. Once you go back, developer options will not be displayed on your phone anymore. So obviously you will need to go back and enable it again if you ever need it in the future. So it's just that easy to disable developer options on your Android phone, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.